Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Acronis Cloud Backup options step by step clearly. Open your Acronis software on your computer. Log in with your Acronis account credentials. Navigate to the Backup tab in the main menu. Select the backup plan you wish to verify. Click on Settings for the selected backup plan. Look for the Storage section in the Settings menu. Ensure that Acronis Cloud is selected as your backup destination. Check for the current cloud storage options displayed. Verify whether your subscription plan is active and sufficient for your needs. If necessary, upgrade your plan through the Acronis website. Return to the main backup settings. Click on Schedule to confirm your backup frequency. Review the exclusion section for any files or folders that are not backed up. To check your backup's compliance, select Backup Status. Confirm that the last backup was completed successfully. If there are any errors, click on View Log for detailed information. Make necessary adjustments based on the log messages. Finally, ensure that your device is connected to the internet for successful backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.